safety training seminars in San Jose downtown. Our address is 675 North 1st Street. There's a private parking lot in the side of the building. Once you find parking, make your way to the front. There's the address, and it's 675. The elevators are at the rear of the lobby. There's a digital keypad to operate the elevator. You want to press for floor 7. The elevator will automatically take you to the 7th floor once you press the number 7 on the digital keypad. Once you reach the 7th floor, make a right. Safety Training Seminars is in Suite 700E. Enter the code on the keypad here. Once inside, you can choose either station, log in, and you can begin your RQI skill test.